Good morning, everybody. I'm Rob,
And I'm Apple.
and today we're on the shores of Little Lake Weir in Ocklawaha, Florida. And we're fixing to go take a little tour to the site of one of the longest shootouts in FBI history.
And it involved mafia, I think. Well, let's go see.
Well, it's going to jump on the tram here. They're going to take us to the site and the house where this all happened with some gangsters back in the early 1900s.
But first, go to the bathroom now because there are not going to be bathrooms there.
Let's do this. Well, they have a little tram set up. They're going to take us over to the site.
I really like our tour guide. Like, he's really excited about like history stuff. So he's super excited to tell the story. Like, I'm like really into this so far. It's all about like 1930s gangsters, and he's about to get to why gangsters ended up in rural Central Florida.
Hunt ducks with a Thompson submachine gun. Not exactly how to stay off the radar. So that would raise the question, what really did bring federal authorities all the way down here to find them? Longest gun battle in FBI history is on. The townspeople of Ocklawaha woke up to a sound probably many of them have never heard before, the chatter of Thompson submachine guns, punctuated by the blast of shotgun, rifle, automatic and semi-automatic pistol. The agents initially responded with tear gas grenades, but 4 federal agents wrote in their after-action reports that we fired, between all of us, about 1,500 rounds of ammo into this house. The Bradford family had a lot of fixing up to do. Patched all the bullet holes, replaced the shattered windows, continued to live in the house for almost another 80 years afterward, and to the best of my knowledge, never rented it out again to anybody the family didn't really know. And as you said, you could be moved out to the sides, gather up in like a half circle, make sure everybody else in the lines.
Oh yeah, it smells like old house. I love it.
There must be a copy of the wanted poster.
There's before and after pictures all over the house, on all the furniture, match it up to what's around you. By example, this is a picture of the room we're standing in right after the battle happened. These windows were shattered by gunfire. This wall was peppered by bullet holes. These 2 lamps were here at the time of the battle. Bullets hit all around, never touched the lamps. Okay? But if you look carefully at the picture, and then there on the wall is the patching plaster where they had to replace all the bullet holes. Okay? So, a few other key points. The fighting moved all around the house. They were taking fire from the agents were taking fire from various parts of the house, various windows. This bedroom above you here, look on the bed at the contemporary picture on it, then look over at the wall. There's a track of bullet holes on the wall from that day. The bodies of the Barkers were found in or near this bedroom here. There's an old wooden chair up in that room that still has the bullet holes in it.
Oh, that must be maybe a bullet hole right there, huh?
Oh yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, see there's patches all over here.
Yeah.
Like right here, right here, right here, right here.
Oh wow, they're everywhere. That's
Yeah.
hilarious. Oh, all over here.
Oh yeah.
Oh babe, look at this. Bum 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 bum.
Oh yeah.
Hey, there's some pictures.
And right here too. Look at this. That's crazy.
Well, this is just another room. Oh, look at that. Are they Red Sox fans? It's all cedar, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
This is what our closets looked like when I grew up
Yeah,
in
big-
Hollywood.
Big cedar closets.
Yeah.
Look, there's bullet holes everywhere here, huh?
Oh, there's one there. There we go. Let's see. Oh, wow. Who's Cooter? There's always a Cooter back in that time.
Oh yeah. Look at the funeral director. He looks like a funeral director.
Oh, yeah. That's what this room, wow, look at this room. They had to patch all of that up, huh?
Oh yeah. That's crazy.
What? So what? Like all of these little.
Oh yeah.
Where else?
Over here too.
Insane. Look how destroyed this room was. Wow. If I was the landlord, I'd be pretty pissed.
Yeah. Check out all the bullet holes in the chair.
Wow.
There's another one over here too.
Crazy. Last bedroom. Wow. Are those her clothes? That's hilarious.
Wow.
You see any bullet holes in here? Oh, here's
What's
some
this?
pictures. I guess there would be bullet holes all up there, according to the picture.
Oh yeah.
And then everywhere. Holy crap.
What's that?
I don't know.
She's just hanging out in the lake.
It looks like art. Looks like fine art. Look, there's a shot right there. Another little one there.
Look at that old ironing board.
I know. And their towels and linens.
Yeah. They just like left it exactly how it was, huh?
Yeah, what do they need it for, right? What, did you find something?
Look how tiny this toilet is.
Oh. Go ahead, sit on it for reference.
Yeah, it's cracked.
Oh, there's tape on it.
Yeah. They want to make sure nobody uses it. I don't think they have running water here.
No, they don't. Is that a bullet hole too? Look at that. Wow. You want to go down to the kitchen?
All right.
What's in here? This is an interesting. Oh, this is the kitchen. I thought it was the bathroom. Oh, so you can get through the kitchen a couple of ways.
Look at that tile, huh?
Wow.
That's what it is, right? Where's this
The
linoleum?
lobster. Linoleum, maybe. Oh, there's all sorts of stuff going on here.
Died, age 29. Execution in the gas chamber.
Oh my God.
Machine.
Who?
This guy.
Members of the family? Or of the crime family?
These gangs, yeah.
That looks like an Italian name.
Pretty Boy Floyd.
No, here's a door here.
Look, there's Machine Gun Kelly.
Isn't that like a really bad musician right now?
Yeah, I think so.
What is this? Oh, that's the old school ironing board, huh?
Yeah, built in, huh?
How does this work? You lift it up or something, or you pull this down and then it hangs out.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
that's pretty cool.
Right off to the kitchen, you know, because that's
Yeah.
where a woman's place was.
Well, he said she had 3 gunshot wounds to the head. This says 3 gunshot wounds to the chest.
Oh. Huh. But he also said there was an account where there was only 1 to the head.
Right.
Yeah, I don't know.
Shell casings that they found.
Yeah, there's more gunshots there. Another one there. So what are your thoughts on this tour?
Oh, this is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. So I guess at some point in the 30s, this tiny little town of Ocklawaha, which was probably, you know, practically nothing back then,
Yeah.
was all over the news. It became famous.
Yeah, it's very interesting, isn't it?
Yeah. I didn't expect it at all. I think the tour guide really like did it for me because he was so excited about it.
Yeah.
So he was excited to share it, and you know, so it made it more fun to listen to.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. What he was saying, it's probably one of the last organized crime families of the time,
Yep.
because by then all the big famous ones were locked up or dead, and this family was known to be very organized.
And very ruthless, and
Yeah.
they killed a lot of people.
A lot of cops too.
Yeah. It's amazing all the bullet holes in the side of this place, though.
Oh yeah, I think there's some right there too, huh?
I think so.
So the reason there's not more bullet holes is because after this whole ordeal, the owners of the house, because they had rented it to this family, the owners of the house decided they had to, rebuild and just lived in it for the next 80 years. It was their vacation house.
Yeah.
Then when they sold the property, they sold the land only and donated the house for a museum to the city.
Yeah. And there's a lake just out here, is where the Lake Weir is. And they brought the house down this little trail right here and wheeled it up and
Yeah.
put it over here.
Oh, so that's how they floated the house.
By the woods? Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
So overall, this tour is about like an hour and a half. You have to park at Carney Island. Was it Carney Island?
Carney Island Park.
Yeah,
Yep.
right.
In
You have to-
Ocklawaha.
You have to park at Carney Island Park in Ocklawaha, and you park your car, you get into a tram, and then they take you here. There's no bathrooms, so go at the public services there.
What is it? Only $10 a person?
Yeah, it's only $10 a person, cash or check. What other?
What's a check? Oh,
I don't know what a check is. We left the baby at home. Figured this wasn't an appropriate place for a toddler to be running around poking at bullet holes. But I mean, I guess you could bring a kid. You probably shouldn't. There's so many things that you're not allowed to touch and sit on. And, knowing Aurora, she would jump on everything and grab literally everything.
if you're looking to kill an hour and a half and you're kind of a history buff, then this might be something to check out.
Yeah, especially if you're into like obscure history.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was actually pretty good. And I can't say enough that the tour guide made it. I didn't know what to expect. And, where they can be like, okay, there's a bullet hole. Like, I don't know. They said they were volunteers. So actually that probably makes it more exciting.
Absolutely. All right. Well, until next time, that's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
See ya.
Who wants lunch?